Okay, so if you're coming out of the Bukit Bintang MRT and then you're here at night and you realize that there's a lot of people in the Jalan Alor food market, but also Bukit Bintang, and you don't want to have to go through all of that, what's another way that you could get through this a lot quicker? Well, that way is through this right here, this alley. And I know what you're thinking. I don't want to go through a dark alley, but let me tell you, at least here in the Jalan Alor market, it is something that I would say is fairly safe. A lot of people take this, so that's why I decided to take it. So we're going down here at night, and obviously definitely pay attention to your surroundings. But if you look here, it's well lit, and like I said, if you are coming from the MRT Bukit Bintang, I think this is the fastest way for you to get all the way across without having to go through the Jalan Alor food market or through Bukit Bintang. And there's just so many people here at night, it's hard to get through. And so you can see here, there's also other things that are going on here. There's a bike rental shop, there's also a little food stall, and as you can see, there are people who are walking around. And I'm seeing all types of people take this, you know. I'm seeing women take this route at night. I'm seeing families. And so a lot of people do take this. So then you also have to watch out for traffic as well. There's people in cars and motorcycles. So as always, just be very aware of your surroundings. So there's a little food stall right here, and there's more people just walking across here at night. And during the day, it's fine. You know, there's not anywhere near as many people through the Jalan food market or through Bukit Bintang. So, you know, I don't normally take this during the day. I just take it at night if I'm coming from the station. And as you can see, so far no issues, and as I stated, it's really well lit. And anytime you could always go, you know, to the Jalan food market if you are not very comfortable with doing this, or even go through Bukit Bintang. But just realize there's going to be a lot of people if you go through those ways at night. So yeah, this is kind of one of the things that you learn as you go through Kuala Lumpur and the surrounding areas. I just kind of look at what the locals do, and I just kind of saw people walking through this, and so I decided, well, let me go try it myself. And obviously there are people working. There's restaurants on the other sides in the Jalan food market, so you see a lot of that. And obviously there's also trash here, so the smells is a little bit stronger here for sure. So here's another main part that people walk through from the Jalan food market, and I'll show you this right here. So if you look here, here's the Jalan food market right there, and then this goes directly to Bukit Bintang, and a lot of people take this route kind of like it's a shortcut if they're already midway through. But in this case, I'm going all the way through, so then I don't have to go through any traffic. And all this trash is cleaned up in the morning, so it's not something that just stays there all the time. And this last part, it is not quite as well lit, but at the same time, it's not a long path. Hello. So a lot of people here, they're just having, you know, a good time. They see a lot of people come visit here. A lot of creators come here. So they're used to being on a camera. So almost there. And this part is probably the darkest part, this last part, so as you can tell. But it's also, you know, you're pretty much there in the corner. And so once you come through here, you would have pretty much walked across through all of Jalan Alor food market or Bukit Bintang if you're coming here from the left. But if you look here to the right, you see the Jalan Alor food market right here. And this is the route that I take if I'm out here at night. And let me show you, you know, how many people are here at night. And it's around like 8 o'clock at night. So even though there's a lot of people, there's even more people as it gets later. So if you come through here at night for the very first time, it's gonna take you a while to get through. I mean, there's just so many people and it's packed. And it's just a wonderful place for people to come. So check that out. So, and then there's more people over here. But as you can see, that is the shortcut that I take, specifically from the MRT station if you're coming there, or maybe you're just walking from Bukit Bintang and you don't want to have to go through all this traffic. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other shortcuts that you take in Kuala Lumpur, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode.